Welcome you guys in our new YouTube channel. In this channel, we are going to teach you all the topics which I am covered in JavaScript. You can say that trees, array, loop, recursion, linked list. We are going to solve all DSA question related to each topic. Just like we can say that if we are going to teach you loops, then in the next lecture we are going to solve all the DSA question around loops also. So in this lecture, so if you guys haven't seen my lecture of Replit, so this is the lecture 2. You can go and watch how Replit works in Replit. We have already teach you that how Replit work, how our coding work, how we can run our code, how we can create multiple files, and what is index.js and all this. So now we are in Replit website. Here you can see that I have already lecture 3. You can see here that I have already created a file which name is lecture 3. So after opening it, now we have a index.js file. We have already tell you about that what is the work of index.js. So now we are going to create a file which is problem1.js. Now you can see here. So in this lecture, we are going to teach you what is the statement of printing in JavaScript. You guys, if you know about what is C language, C++ language, Java, and all this, Python also, so you can know that what is the printing statement of Java, what is the printing statement of C language, what is the printing statement of Python. So in JavaScript, there are two types of printing statement. So now we are going to learn only one of them. So the printing statement is console.log. This is our printing statement. So console.log, we are going to print any statement what we have right here. So if we have small bracket and open small bracket, so what we are going to write here, this will print the statement what we have write in code also. So this is the printing statement of our JavaScript. From where we can run this, you can see here this is a problem one file, so we cannot run it from run area. So we are going in cell area, and here you can see that this is a lecture 3 variable. We have already assigned that lecture 3 is the file name of our. So now we are going to put anything in this statement. So if we are going to write here, please print this statement what that is hello world. So now if we are going here and write node problem 1.js, this will give me the output as hello world. So you can see here that this hello world what we have write under apostrophe is going to print me that hello world. So this statement say that please output this. So you can see here also this is a string type of value. What is a string type of value, you guys? If you don't know about that, what is string type of value? So what we have write under apostrophe is known as string type of value. String of type of value is what? So the uppercase, you can say that A, B, C to Z, and uppercase also. This is our lowercase and this is our uppercase. So this is also that these all are a string value. Number is also a string value. 3, 1. This is also a string value. But when this is a string value, if we write under apostrophe, if we write 1 and 3 under apostrophe, this will be a string value. But what we have right here, a, b, c, this cannot be a string value. Sorry, this cannot be a number type of value. So if here you can see that hello world. So if we are going to assign any value, so in JavaScript, we assigned any value as let value. Let name is hello world. So here you can also see that this is a string type of value. You can see here now, this is a string type of value. This is also a string type of value. But what the value I have assigned in name should be a, if this is a number type of value, if we want this output as a string value, so this is always a string. You can see here that this is write in HELLO, this is a letter also, so we have to write this in apostrophe. So we have to write this in apostrophe. So when we are going this letter as apostrophe, this will gives me a right output. Okay, so here this printing statement said that please print the statement hello world. Please print the statement hello world, because you can see here also that this is a string value. This statement didn't say me that please go and check that hello world where is assigned, for which value hello is assigned. Okay, so in name you can see that hello world is assigned. So if we are going to write here name, should name be in apostrophe? No, because name is already assigned here that hello world is assigned in variable name. This is a variable. No, now this is a variable and hello world is assigned to name. So what we this gives me the output. You can see here that node problem1.js, this will gives me the output as hello world, because see here I want to say you that this console.log statement, in the bracket you can see that there is a name. So first of all this will go through line 1 up except line 2, this will go here and check that name. So what is the value assigned in name? Hello world. So this will give me the output as hello world. This will give me the output as hello world. Okay guys, now we are move to another part. If we write here let a is 30, let a is 30. If we write here let a is 30, so now we are going to printing statement and write here a. Now you can assume that what is the printing statement? Console.log a. This will check that where is a variable. You can see here, is there any a variable? Yes, this will check that this is a variable and the value assigned to a is what? 30. This 30 is assigned to a, so this will give me the output as 30. You can see here, this will give me the output as 30. So first from line number 1, there is a name variable, and hello world is assigned to name. And after this console.log statement, this will gives me the output as hello world. Now we have a variable 30 is assigned to it, and there after that I have a printing statement which is saying that please output as a. So this will check the where is the a variable and what the value assigned to it. If we are going to write here a in under apostrophe, so what will this check? This will check what? This not going to anywhere, because this is a string type of value, and this will gives me the output as a. Because here you can also see that no any this type of value assigned here. JavaScript is a very case sensitive. So here you can see that this a right in apostrophe, so this will gives me the output as a. You can see here also, you can see here, you can see here this will give me the output as only a, because this statement saying that you don't need to go anywhere and check where is a, because a is under apostrophe. So this will give me the output as a. When you are going to write here b, you can, now you can see here, is there any b variable? Is there any b variable? No, there is no any b variable. So this uh, what gives this statement we have, you have, so b is not assigned anywhere, so this will give me the reference error. You can see here that node problem1.js, you can see here, you can see here first this will give me the output as hello world because from this statement. So now home runner lecture-03 variable problem1.js console.log b. Here you can see that this is a b reference error. B is not defined. B is there any anywhere b is defined? No. So this will gives me the error. So when we are going here and assign b value, b is 40. So what will this gives me the as a output? You can see here that node problem1.js. Now you can see here 40. Why 40? Why 40? You can see here console.log statement saying with that check anywhere b. This will go through line 4, 1 to line 4. This will check here let name is hello world. So there is not a b statement, b variable. So after this console.log name, this will gives me the output as hello world. After that let a is 30, this is not equal to b. And after that in line number 4 you can see here that b is 40. 40 is assigned to b. So here console.log statement go in b and check what the value assigned to b, and this will gives me the output as 40. This will give you the output as 40. Now if we assigned 40 in under apostrophe, so what is this? B is under what is the value assigned to b is under apostrophe, so this is a string type of value. So this is the string type of value, and here also you can see that this is also a string type of value. Now but when we are going to print this statement, this will gives me the output as hello world. What is right under apostrophe? This will gives me as a output hello world. So here you can also see that what is r- right under apostrophe 40, so this will gives me the output as 40. This will give you as a output of 40. You can see from here. So my main motive is to say that A string is a string. Number can also be as a string, but string cannot be a number. Here you can see that this can be a number. No, never this can be a number, but this can be as a string. In a string you can include everything. Okay, you can add symbol also. Here you can see that let c is equal to under apostrophe, we can add any symbol h. Okay, now we are going here console.log and see what will be the output here. Now you can see that from through first statement this will gives me hello, from second statement this will give me 40, and from third statement this will give me hash. You can see here this is a string value because this is right under apostrophe, so this will gives me as a output as hash. So now if we want to print what is the type of a, you can see here a is 30, and what is the type of a, b is 40, and what is the type of b, c is hash, and what is the type of hash. So in JavaScript there are a statement you can write here console.log. You can see right here type of a, type of a, all letter are in small letter typeof, type of a is under small bracket and close small bracket, this is open small bracket, and this is close small bracket. So if we are going to run this statement, so what is the type of a, you can see here that what is the type of a, type of a is number type, 30 is in number type. So now you can see here what is the type of a, number type. This will gives you the boolean type value, not number. This is a number type of value. Console.log c means hash, console.log b 40, and console.log name, which is hello world. Now you guys understand that what I am saying. Now if we are going to write here console.log type of b, and now we can see then console.log type of c. Now what will be the output? Now what will be the output? What is the type of b? You can see here that what is the type of b? 40 is under apostrophe, so this will be a string. And what is the type of c? This is also under apostrophe, so this will also be a string type. Now if we are going to type of name, you can see here also what is the type of name. This will go here and check where the name and the value assigned to it is in, you can see here that under apostrophe, so this will also be a string. Now if we are going to print this statement, so here you can see that a is a number type of value, a is a number type of value here guys, b is a string, B is a string because this is under apostrophe. So B is also a string. And what is C? C is also a string. You can see here that anything under apostrophe is a string. Okay. What is the type of name? Type of name here you can see that under apostrophe as hello world is assigned. So this will also be a string type. So in this lecture, you have learned how we are going to write print statement in JavaScript, how we can check that what is the type of any variable. This is a variable. You can see here that this is a variable. This is a variable. When variable is writing anywhere, so we have to put that let right here let. Okay. So after every line, you have to write semicolon. As a good developer, you have to write semicolon also, because when you are going to switch your language, just like you can assume that when you are switch your language from JavaScript to Java, this is very important for you guys, because after except this you cannot run any program. So you have to write here semicolon in every line where you have to put this. Okay, my so that's the topic I want to cover today. So how to print the statement in JavaScript, how we assign the a variable, how we assign the value of a variable, and all this. So in next lecture we are going to learn the next step of JavaScript, that is how we are going to add something and subtract also. So thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.